Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer dashboards in Power BI for project reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open Power BI desktop on your computer. Load your project report that contains the dashboards you want to transfer. Click on the File menu located in the upper left corner. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose Power BI template from the options presented. Save the template to a location that is easily accessible. Open the Power BI service by navigating to the Power BI website in your browser. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the My Workspaces tab on the left sidebar. Locate the workspace where you want to transfer the dashboard. In that workspace, click on Get Data Available at the bottom left. Select the option for files from the available data sources. Choose Local File and then navigate to the saved template you created. Click Open to upload your template into the workspace. After a successful upload, go to the workspace where the template is saved. Locate the uploaded file and click on it to open. You'll now see the dashboards and reports included in the template. If necessary, refresh the data sources to ensure everything is up to date. To publish the dashboard, click on Publish to Web or choose the appropriate sharing option. Follow the prompts to share your dashboard with the desired audience. Lastly, confirm that the dashboards appear correctly and function as expected in the new workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.